Hey, welcome to Cart's Workshop. Today we are making a wooden frame for a mattress for my grandson. We saw the box spring or mattress holder for $291. Yeah. $291 on Etsy. Jake, who's going to be helping out here, Jake went to Lowe's and we've got 3 2x6x8s, 5 1x4x8s of spruce. Total cost was $68. So we're going to make this and we're going to film along the way. If you have any questions, hit them in the comments and we'll get going on the video. Also too, make sure to subscribe and also hit that like button for this channel. We are going to have this listing on Etsy as well, and all the dimensions will be on the description below, but I'll make sure to put the link for our Etsy shop down below.
I don't have any safety glasses, so we had to improvise.
You got to improvise, so safety fence helmet. So every time you have lumber from Lowe's, you want to make sure to have a square. That's going to be square. And what we're going to do is just chop it off to make sure it's square, make sure it's against the fence. Yeah? You're good, go ahead. All right, so the bed, before he cuts, so the bed itself is 76 for the bed. We're making this to the out, we're making this 79. Hit it. The measurement for the width of the bed, Jake said is, what's the width of the mattress?
The width of the mattress is 39.
39, and we're adding an inch, correct?
Yeah, for the...
So half inch on either side. Comforter. Yep. So one stick here. So cut the edge off, and we're making this 40.
Correct.
40. All right. So the out. Measuring stick. So again, this was Jake. This was length.
Length is 79.
Length is 79.
Because these boards right here
are an inch and a half. Yep. Width.
So we added 3 inches, or technically a half inch, or inch and a half on either side. But
right.
3 inches overall. For the
right.
bed.
Right. So the measurement of the actual mattress is
76 and then 39, but we added an inch.
Right. So 76. My main thing is 76. So let's measure that. Good. Are you against it?
Yeah.
That's right. 76.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah.
The mattress is 75.
Mattress is
75. So we have half inch on either side. Yes. For, and what was the width?
39.
I got 40.
Huh?
I got 40 for the measurement.
Yeah, the width of the mattress is 39.
We're perfect. Perfect. So what we can do is, all right, so what we're doing is we're pre-drilling, and we're going to countersink these. All right, the other end. All right, we're just building this. The floor is not flush in my garage. So Jake is making sure this is flush. And then put one screw at the top, make sure you're square.
Yep.
Hammer it. Put one screw at the top. Don't worry about the bottom, we'll get the bottom. Put one at the top. What Jake's doing here, making sure this is square, and we're making sure that this is flush on either side, because again, our garage door, the garage floor's uneven. So if you want me to hold it, I'll pause. All right. This is always on the top drawer. Ah, keep it down. Keep it flat on the table. Watch your back, Jake. You're right against the bed, okay? Right? Yep. All right, so what Jake's doing is we're putting a inch and a half runner for the bottom of the bed. You know what we forgot? We need runners here too.
No, we don't.
Oh, it's a 10-inch. Yeah, because of slats. All right, so what we're doing is using the nailer, and he's going to knock this out right now. So he's just adjusting as he goes and keeping it flush. Again, the garage floor is not flush, so we're doing it this way. We've got C-clamps either way. I would scatter. I would put 1, 2, and go boom, 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 scatter. Now work your way down, go bang, bang, bang. No.
What?
Scatter this way.
Oh, like
Crisscross. Like
yeah, crisscross.
do this,
Yeah.
this all the way down, but make sure it's flush with your thumb.
Okay.
Like move, yep. You can put as many as you want in there, man. Yep, that's perfect. Do that same thing all the way down. And just make sure it's flush. Yep. You got it. Yep. Easy peasy, man. Made a time lapse for you guys when we're cutting the slats.
I got lost at night under the stars up in the sky. Directions hard to find under the stars up in the sky. I got lost at night.
All right, so what we're doing is we're putting in slats. We're doing 10 of them, and we're just doing a pre-drill on all of these. So we're going to do that right now. All right, we're putting the slats in here. If you guys want to order this, all these parts will be cut to fit, and then what we're going to do is pre-drill all the holes here, countersink them for you, and we are doing just 4-inch blocks to make it easy. The 4-inch gap. Yep, beautiful. And like I said, We can pre-cut all these, send them out to you. Everything is complete. We're just going to sand and stain, which will probably be tomorrow, as far as the final coat. The second coat, you think?
Yeah.
Final coat will be tomorrow. We'll do one tonight, and then one tomorrow. Should be finished up tomorrow.
Yeah.
All right. See you soon.
I got lost tonight under the stars up in the sky. Directions hard to find under the stars up in the sky. I got lost tonight under the stars up in the sky. Directions hard to find under the stars up in the sky. I don't know where to take this, I don't wanna break this. We're living in the moment, we're living in the moment. Your head is on my shoulder, whatever.
All right, there's Jake. That's the stain. Turned out really, really nice. That was my bike and my head. It turned out really, really nice.